The hustle and bustle of downtowns and city centers across the country are still not back to pre-pandemic levels, but the suburbs, they seem to be benefiting from that trend. Our Diane King-Howell joins us now with the latest on those details. Hey, Diane.
Hey, Shauna. All right. So there's a newly released back to work barometer. It shows that office occupancy rates are still below 50%. It's according to this report out this week from Castle Systems. Now, Castle measures security swipes via fobs, badges. We all know those badges that we check in with its app weekly to get its data. So that factor or that data is showing still below pre-pandemic levels. You're seeing it tick up a little bit compared to the week prior, but still below 50%. Another measure of the return to office shows that pedestrian foot traffic is still down, some 25% in April compared to the same time period in 2019. That's according to MRI Springboard. But that slow return to office is a boon for the suburbs, that is. Real estate firm CBRE says that in the second half of last year, the availability of urban retail space outpaced suburban retail availability for the first time in about 10 years. So that means there is more demand, rather, for the suburban space now.
So, Diane, what does this mean going forward? The demand that we are seeing here, is that expected to continue, do you think?
So, well, suburbia definitely has the upper hand in terms of pricing power when it comes to commercial real estate. I went to a commercial real estate conference recently, as you know, and there was nervousness in the air because of just the issues that are happening within the commercial real estate industry, particularly when you think of downtowns, city centers, et cetera. The power dynamic is still really a push-pull between employers and employees. Employers want employees to come back to the office, but they still don't have the same leverage that they had once upon a time. And plus, the fabric of the workforce and how people work has changed, so employers still willing to accept, a hybrid workforce. So again, that gives the shift to suburban real estate power players. For instance, you have certain companies also pivoting to match where demand is now, such as Sweet Green. They've increased their footprint in suburbia because they're going to go where the customers are.
Yeah, they have to go where the customers are. And there was a new report out from Axios earlier this week saying that in New York, office occupancy is still just 60% of what it was pre-pandemic.
Yeah. So similar to the other metric that we just looked at. So,
certainly.
within that 50 to
anytime
60% range.
Stuck in that range. All right, Diane King-Howell, thanks so much.